Good morning to everybody. I introduce myself as MK Jain, a mechanical engineer with 43 years work experience, including 36 years in thermal power plants in India and abroad, and 2 years special experience in waste to energy plants in India. Though respected Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has launched Swachh Bharat program throughout the country, yet I feel painful to see very big mountains of waste in NCR, including Karnal Bypass, Gazipur in Delhi, and Bandwadi in Gurgaon. These mountains of waste is also called MSW is creating lot of nuisance and give birth to many diseases including asthma, cancer and many more. Swachh Bharat program is not complete unless until we get rid of this problem. My topic is today is how to get rid of this MSW. It is the waste collected from houses, roadside cleaning, waste from trees, leaves, branches, etc. All these waste, if in my opinion, is just like a gold and can be used for the generation of electricity, which gives employment to thousands of engineers, technicians, and labor. Moreover, it will give indirect employment to many people. The solution for this problem is to install waste to energy plants in every corner of India. I feel we can get pollution free, polythene free, disease free Bharat by getting rid of MSW. It is, just I explain, there are 780 districts in India. On an average, if 500 tons of MSW is collected daily from each district, then approximately 39 lakhs tons of MSW is collected daily. On average, 10 megawatt of electricity can be produced with 500 ton of MSW. Then, with the existing MSW, we can generate about 7,800 megawatt of electricity. Now, question is why government sector, private sector is not coming forward to install waste to energy plants. Also, we will discuss the effects of burning the waste in open and why these plants are ineffective in producing electricity. The following are the points, in my opinion, which should be taken care of. The first is the vendors who collect MSW from houses segregate papers, cardboard, plastic bags, and they sell it to other people. These are the really burnable materials. So when they remove this burnable material, the leaving behind mostly unburnable material like sand, stone, bricks, glasses, etc. With this, the calorific value of this waste MSW comes out to be not more than 5 to 600 kilocalorie per kg. So minimum of 1500 to 1600 kilocalorie per kg of calorific value is required to run the waste to energy plant. Now question is how to get this 1500 to 1600 or above. The calorific can be removed, calorific value of the MSW can be by removing the non-burnable material from MSW with the help of special machines called trommels, ballistic separators, which are easily available in India, not very high cost. And with the help of this, sand, stones, bricks, glasses, etc., can be easily removed, resulting into low calorific value. Sorry, it equipments like trommel and ballistic separator. Further, If we add around 5 to 10% of biomasses in the form of soya husk, mallee, sawdust, pearl even, then the calorific value can be increased to 1500 kilocalorie per kg. Moreover, if you pass this MSW, which may be wet through dryers, then calorific value increase to 1800. Now, with the MSW of 1800 calorific value, if we burn it into the furnace of the boiler, which is called incinerator, where temperature of around 800 degrees centigrade is maintained, with this they will burn very effectively even without oil sport, and plant will work very effectively. Now question is, the gas is produced. The gas is produced by burning MSW into incinerator will generate gases in the form of carbon, CO, CO2, SO2, SO3, SCl, NOx, dioxane, furanes, etc., which are very dangerous gases for all human beings. These gases are removed in the inbuilt treatment plant in the incinerator. Also, SNCR system is installed in the incinerator, leaving behind harmful gases in open atmosphere. After, second thing is, after burning the MSW in incinerator, the waste which will get in the furnace will have a high compressive strength, and this material can be put under the road for making highways and roads. Also, the ash coming out in the burning of MSW is collected in special design bag filters, and it can be used in making bricks and can be mixed in cement also. Now, the heat rate of incinerator to generate electricity is around 3500 to 3600 kilocalorie, which means that 200, 2.5 tons of MSW can generate 1 unit of electricity. These incinerators generally have efficiency of 25%. Second thing, the water coming out of this MSW when it is wet is called leached water, which is so dangerous that if it is consumed by animals or human beings, they can die even. It can be fatal. So that uh, plant contain the water treatment plant to remove to treat this leached water and then let it go to canal or something else. Now my question is, seeing all these defects, all these problems, why the reasons for not coming of these plants in India? First thing is, that is very important thing. The government is not coming forward to install these units in government sector, and private firms feel it is a costly business and rough business. Second thing is, government or private sector think of installing units of higher capacity in the range of even 500 megawatt, but waste to energy plants are of smaller sizes, not more than 25 megawatt or even less. Third thing is, the big organizations like BHEL, NTPC, they are not coming forward to manufacture these smaller units of smaller units. Second, next thing is, there is a lack of technical know-how, as big organizations are not coming forward. Third, next is, there are not specialized courses in engineering and diploma colleges. Next is being rough work, stinking smell. The big entrepreneurs are not coming forward. The foreign firms have has not been invited to install these units in India. Now, our action plan what should be our action plan? Our action plan should be first that MSW, which is collected by vendors from door to door, segregate the burnable material like papers, cardboard, plastic bags, and leaving behind the unburnable material like sand, stones, and other things. So this should be avoided. Now, the unburnable material like sand, which we discussed just now, stones, bricks, iron pieces, glass pieces, should be removed before we put into this into the incinerator. This can be easily removed with the help of the machines like trommels, ballistic separator, which are easily available in India. Now, next is about mix about 10% by volume of biomasses. Biomasses can be rice husk, soya husk, mallee, sawdust, pearl even, which give a nuisance to uh, air pollution. And because these are having very high calorific value, even the plastic, which has got a calorific value as high as 2500. Third thing is in rainy season or if the this is wet, we should pass this MSW into dryers. So with this, the calorific value will increase. Second thing is there is some combustion control system in the incinerator, which will control the temperature as well as flame failure, and it oil will come if there is any problem. And next is the all the points given above, but not upcoming of this plant in India that should be taken care. So my suggestion is that we should try to put as many as possible this waste to energy plant in government sector because government can afford. Private firms they don't afford this. And second thing is burning of this MSW. That is the main problem under Swachh Bharat program. Swachh Bharat program has no meaning if you have got big mountains of MSW all around the world. India, I will say like this, sorry. So this is only thing is people are not aware of this technical thing, technical know-how. The thinking smell is there that is creating lot of problem, asthma, cancer, and so many things. So our aim should be to burn this, irrespective of generation. Okay, we are getting generation, that is very good thing. 7800 megawatt of electricity we can get daily. That is a separate thing. But government is thinking of provide 500 megawatt or above. So let us be fair enough to say that we are to burn this irrespective of generation. Thank you very much.